Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you Regina George outfit inspo in Dress to Impress. So if you want to channel the ultimate queen bee Regina George, this DTI tutorial is giving you major Mean Girls vibe with a 2004 inspired outfit that's as iconic as it is as stylish. So this outfit is one of the Regina George iconic outfit in the Mean Girls movie, and I'm going to show you how you can get this fit. So first, let's start with the hair. I'm using this updo hair and change it into blonde and combine it with this ponytail hair. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start with the outfit. So for the top, I'm using this two top. The first one is this top in here. I'm going to color it black and change or toggle it into classic. And here I'm going to use this top with the same color and choose it to type. Okay. Now for the the shoe first. I'm going to just put on this one and change the color into white like Regina George in the outfit. And let's put on these pants, this white pants, and change it into this silver color. And I'm going to put on the necklace first. Using this necklace here, change it into silver, and this bag here, change it into pink color. And lastly, to complete the look, I'm going to put on this belt and change the color the same with the bag. So this is the Regina George outfit that you can try for your next DTI movie characters theme. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.